Okay, it's the 19th of May, and this is now the 5th swarm from the same colony, called We Love You, in 20 days. I can't say I'm very happy, because that's getting a bit out of hand. 5 swarms, and it looks like this cast swarm is going in exactly the same place, very high up in this funny conifer tree. I mean, so high kind of virtually impossible to get them. We'll see what happens. Really odd. It's a fantastic colony, of course, and they seem to think that they can afford it. Here they are. The cast swarms don't hang around for very long, so I better get going. Let's hope it's the last swarm from these guys. And I hope they heard that.